the vagina can cause an infection. I know you're already saying, how is that possible? How can that happen? It's not possible, it can never happen. Please take note, overwashing of the vagina can cause an infection. Welcome to Talk Health with Ms. P, where we discuss health issues in simpler and practical ways. So let's talk about something that many ladies experience, but they feel or are afraid to speak about, right? So today we're talking about feminine hygiene. Now, ladies, please come closer. This is particularly for you. Now, taking care of your health is not just about what you eat alone. Taking care of your intimate area is not just about smelling nice down there. It is about protecting your health and preventing infection, right? That's what this is about. First, you must understand that your vagina actually cleanses itself. Yes, it cleanses itself. This means it naturally maintains its balance without needing any harsh products. Yes, your vagina cleanses itself. It has a bacteria. If you followed my previous video, I mentioned the name of the bacteria, lactobacillus, that helps in protecting that area, right? Now, it is important for you to note that when you use harsh soap, when you use touching products, when you use scented products, you are actually reducing the pH of the vagina, right? And actually killing this bacteria, thereby exposing yourself to an infection. That is why I say overwashing the vagina can cause an infection, because while you are there trying to use this harsh soap to prevent it from smelling, you're actually causing more harm to your body than you expect. Now, we're going to be discussing important tips to proper feminine hygiene. Number one is that you have to wash it with clean water and mild soap. Clean water and mild soap. Don't go around using medicated soap, antiseptic to wash that area. You're actually damaging yourself. So washing it with water and mild soap is perfect for it, right? Number two is that you should avoid douching. Yes, I mentioned this in the previous video. We talked about vaginal discharge, because it is found out that many women douche when they are experiencing maybe severe discharges, itching, and they think that this douching would actually solve the problem. Douching is actually causing more harm, right? Now, it is actually reducing or removing the good bacteria that is present in your vagina. Take note. Now, let me pause this video to also let you know that there is a difference between your vagina and your vulva. Your vulva is the outer part of your female reproductive system, right? Now, the vagina is the inner part, like the hole, right? So take note of that. Now, number three things you should do is wear breathable underwears. Like cotton products are actually the best, right? It actually gives your vagina a space to breathe, allows air in, and this will also reduce the smelling that many ladies experience when you're just packing yourself with several clothes. You're wearing tights, still there's wearing pants, still there's wearing trousers, and all of that. It's actually not allowing air into that place, right? This will also result in smell. Number four thing to note is change your sanitary products regularly. Please, the ideal number of pads a lady should use, I think, is 3 in a day. Depending on how your menstrual flow is, please don't wear 2 pads, right? I know they used to say wear pads for 8 hours, but you know that your menstrual flow is very, very much, it's excessive, right? And you're using your pad for 8 hours. It's not hygienic, right? So you should change your sanitary pads regularly. The fifth thing is that avoid scented products. Yes, you're trying to stop your vagina from smelling, but these scented products can cause irritation and disrupt the natural pH of your vagina, right? This can disrupt the natural pH of your vagina. When do you see a health professional? If you notice that there is a persistent itching, you should visit the doctor. If you notice unusual discharge, strong odor, pain, or burning sensation in your vagina, please do not keep quiet. Visit the health professional, because this could be signs of an infection that requires a treatment. So please do not close your eye on this sign. Persistent itching, unusual discharge, strong odors, pain or burning sensation from your vagina. please visit the health professional, right? Now remember, feminine hygiene is all about keeping it simple, keeping it healthy, protecting yourself from an infection, right? And while doing this, you're doing it in simple ways, okay? Please, if you found this helpful, please share it to another woman who may need it. This is Nospi, and I'm here to remind you, take charge of your health, right? So follow Talk Health with Nospi, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our post, drop a comment, share to your friends for more simple and healthy tips. We'd like to see you in our next video. Thank you for subscribing to all our subscribers. Thank you to those that are commenting on our post. Thank you to those that like our post. We are glad that you're here to do this with us. We'd like to see you in our next video.